Funcionamiento silencioso como susurro. 4-inch USB desk fan. Hello friends, this is Yogesh from Automotive Technica, and just I unboxed a 4-inch USB fan. Funcionamiento silencioso como susurro. That means it's a whisper quiet operation. Now it has got 4 blades and the build quality of full metal. One end goes to your USB where you can plug it to your computer or laptop. I'm using it a small power bank which is of 5 volts, and this was purchased from Walmart for $6.47, approximately 500 rupees. So this is an operation manual, nothing much in this, just you have to see that there is one switch. So one speed means you just switch on and it will start. So their trade secret is nothing but it is high efficiency mega flow air blow. I can show you now. I'm just switching on. Power. It is at high speed. I feel the blow of air is quite enough for one person when you're working on a laptop in summer season, especially very good in Bangalore when you're not using AC. I personally don't like AC and I would like to sit under the fan, and the definition of saying that this is a whisper quiet operational fan really holds good. So in another language they say funcionamiento silencioso como susurro. That means whisper quiet operation. Cute nice little fan. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Automotive Technica. So why I purchased this fan is I sometimes do an operational work with the chassis or on the engine. I'll just plug in the power bank and use this fan just to cool myself. So that is one of the use. And while soldering on some of my electronic components or assembly of mobile unit or working on a motherboard, I need a small fan. So there are two operationals where it is very much useful for me. Thanks so much friends, and if you want to buy it, you can buy it from Walmart in USA. I just hand carried it. Sounds good fan, really good. I like it so much. It's a cute little 4-inch fan. Thank you. So the model is HVRA14UBK.